So hi guys, so this is the DC Multiverse Killer Croc wave. So right now we are going to do a short review of this figure, and we're also going to build the Killer Croc itself. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let's start with katana. So it only has a single joint elbow, hinge shoulder, and the head articulation can only move like so. The paint is not that good in her mask, but the other paint up is, yes, it's good. So for the leg articulation, we have here how's legs move. So the articulation for the backward pose for the leg is hindering from the butt area. Yes, so thigh swivel, double jointed knee, and feet articulation. So for the ab articulation, this is the only movement you can do. Yes, so that's the only articulation you can do for katana. So it comes with a sword and an extra hand. So we will be touching it later. So next we have Alfred. So Alfred has this swivel here, double jointed elbow, and the coat is good also. So here's look inside the coat. So there's a articulation. It's kind of crispy. Swivel for the head or the neck. So for the hands, just look at the hands. For the legs, so you can move it like this. Same with double jointed knee for Alfred. Yes. And a feet articulation. Okay. So the coat is kind of thin, so you can freely move your figure. I'm not able to move his abs here. So Alfred comes with a 3 extra head. Okay, it's cool. With some cool accessories also. Yes, for Bruce Wayne. Okay. So next we have the Red Robin. So Red Robin, I think, is one of the coolest figure here. So it has a double jointed elbow, articulation, and the cape is a bit thin also, so soft. Bicep swivel, shoulder for the neck, so hip swivel for the legs. You can also move the legs upward. You just need to position it like this so you can move it like that. So there's a swivel here, double jointed knee. Yes, articulation. So the paint is also good. Red Robin, and one of the coolest figure here. Comes with a stock. Next one is Jason Todd or Red Hood. So jacket is bit thin also. So here's the shoulder articulation, bicep swivel, not double jointed elbow, and for the hands like this. For the head, comes with the mask also. So the paint in the face is clean. And the logo, hub articulation, hip swivel. Although the gun in the holster is not detachable, so yes, it's kind of disappointing. Same with Red Robin, you can't move the leg backward. So swivel, double jointed knee, and feet articulation. So we can touch the head. Yeah. So when you attach the mask version of Red Hood, it does look like it doesn't have a neck. It's kind of weird. Okay. So next one is Dick Grayson Batman. So it comes with the extra cowl, extra head, unmasked head, not double jointed elbow, bicep swivel, shoulder articulation, and ab articulation, hip swivel. Same with legs. So this one can move it like this. Double jointed knee. Okay. So we can replace the head now with, so here's the original head of Batman. Okay, that's how it looks. And the last one is KG Beast. So for the head, you can do this pose. And the shirt, I think, is detachable, though hard time taking it off. So bicep swivel, shoulder articulation, single jointed elbow, and for the arm. So this weapon is already attached to his hand. So this one is removable. Same this one. For the legs, I think this body mold is same with the Moto He-Man figure. Yes. So not double jointed knee, single jointed for the feet. And the knife here is also detachable. Okay, so that's gauging this. So now we are going to build Killer Croc itself. So we're just making a way for him once we build. Okay. Move aside. Move them aside. So this is the torso. This torso comes from Katana. The head, the jaw is jointed. arm. Now the left leg, snap it. Right leg, snap it, and it's complete. So it's a massive figure here. Basically, that's the DC Multiverse Killer Croc wave, and thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day.